How to fix Telegram login code not received. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you are having a problem that you are not receiving your Telegram login code, here are some few things you can do in order to solve it. First of all, you can ensure that your phone state and time are set to automatic. After you do that, you can toggle your airplane mode on and off in order to refresh your internet connection. Then the other thing you can do is you can clear the cache of your Telegram by long pressing on the application. After you do that, tap on app info, then go to storage uses, then tap on clear cache. After you do that, you can delete and reinstall the application, or what usually works most of the time is checking if you received the code from another device. So you can log in through another device and see if you have received the code. So this is how you can fix login code not received in your Telegram. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next one.